Hello, today I'm going to show you how to unlock an Apple Watch if you forgot your passcode, featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, the important information is that this action is going to reset the Apple Watch to factory settings. So you're gonna wipe all the data, all the settings, everything you have on an Apple Watch. But if you forgot your passcode, this is the only way that you can get into the Apple Watch. So you're gonna need a power source. I'm gonna use the aftermarket one. You can also use the original one that comes in the box with the Apple Watch. It doesn't matter really. So if you have a backup on your Apple Watch, good for you. You can install the backup from your iPhone to make things work as previous. And if you forgot your passcode and you want to reset your Apple Watch to factory settings to wipe the passcode, you're gonna need to press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds to enter the power menu. Like this. And now you're going to need to hold the crown for about 2 to 3 seconds, the digital crown. And as you can see, the Apple Watch is telling us that we need to connect it to a power source. So let's place it on a charger. And now, as you can see, the Apple Watch is informing us that we are going to erase all the content and settings. And the Apple Watch is asking us, are we sure about doing this action? If you want to get to your Apple Watch without erasing all the media and all the data, you need to have the backup from the Apple Watch earlier made. But if you don't have, so you're gonna set up again for your needs, because this is the only way that you can go to the Apple Watch and reset the passcode if you had forgotten it. But this action won't erase the Apple ID. So you're the owner of this Apple Watch, and if you want to install it on another device with another account, you are going to need the Apple ID to install it on another device. So continuing, if you want to reset all the data, you just click reset. And now the whole action is going to take about, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. Now, as you can see, the Apple logo has come out. So it means that the whole process is going on. Now, as you can see, we have the animation of processing the whole action. If the circles goes full, that means that the process is near to end. And voila, you have just resetted your Apple Watch to the factory settings. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!